Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Public for Dividend tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Public for Dividend tracking, start by downloading the Public app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the sign up button on the home screen. Provide your email address in the designated field and create a secure password for your account. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. After verifying your email, return to the app and log in using your newly created credentials. Next, you will be prompted to enter personal information such as your name, date of birth, and phone number. Ensure that all the information is accurate, as it is required for your account verification. Proceed to the next step, where you will need to connect a bank account or a funding source. This step is essential for making investments and receiving dividends directly. Once your funding source is connected, agree to the terms and conditions presented in the app. After reading through the documents, finalize your registration by clicking on the Complete Registration button. Now that you are registered, navigate to the dashboard to explore the app's features. Find the watchlist section to start tracking dividend-paying stocks. You can search for specific companies or explore suggested stocks offered by the app. Once you find a company you are interested in, click on it to view detailed information. Within the company's profile, locate the Dividends tab to see dividend history and upcoming payments. If you wish to invest in that stock, select the buy option to proceed with your purchase. To stay updated, set alerts for dividend announcements or stock performance notifications. By following these steps, you can easily register with Public for Dividend tracking and begin your investment journey. Enjoy tracking and receiving your dividends through the Public app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.